Starting out with Guesty Lite begins with connecting your Airbnb account and importing your listings. When you first sign up, this pop-up will appear. You can also click Distribution, then Airbnb, and then Here to reach it. Now, click here to start the connection process. You'll be redirected to this page on Airbnb to approve the connection with Guesty. Back in Guesty Lite, select the listings you would like to import from your Airbnb account and click Import your listings. Importing the listings you chose into Guesty Lite might take some time, but you can move on without waiting for the process to complete. Over on the Airbnb dashboard, the imported listings might appear as not connected at first, so go ahead and click here to connect them if needed. You can also disconnect a listing by clicking here, and if the connection failed, click here to learn why and fix the issue, and then click Retry to complete the connection process. You can import additional listings created in your Airbnb account by clicking the Sync button right here. Or connect additional Airbnb accounts by clicking here and following these steps from the top. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.